Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on an incredible journey through our solar system. From the blazing sun to the distant Uranus, we'll explore each planet, discussing their unique environments, characteristics, and fascinating facts. So, buckle up as we take off on this cosmic adventure. Let's start with the center of our solar system, the Sun. The Sun is a massive ball of burning gases, primarily hydrogen and helium. It's a middle-aged star, around 4.6 billion years old, and it provides the energy that supports life on Earth. The Sun's surface temperature is about 5,500 degrees Celsius, 9,932 degrees Fahrenheit, while its core can reach up to 15 million degrees Celsius, 27 million degrees Fahrenheit. The Sun has several layers: the core, radioactive zone, convective zone, photosphere, chromosome, and the corona. Occasionally, solar flares and coronal mass ejections occur, releasing huge amounts of energy into space. Next up is Mercury. The closest planet to the Sun. Mercury is a small, rocky planet with a diameter of about 4,880 kilometers, 3,032 miles. It has no atmosphere, so its surface experiences extreme temperature changes, ranging from -173 degrees Celsius, -280 degrees Fahrenheit at night to 427 degrees Celsius, 800 degrees Fahrenheit during the day. Mercury has a very short year, taking only 88 Earth days to orbit the Sun, but a long day, with one rotation taking about 59 Earth days. Mercury's surface is covered in craters, and it has a thin exosphere made of atoms blasted off its surface by the solar wind. Our next stop is Venus, often called Earth's twin because of its similar size and composition. However, Venus has a thick, toxic atmosphere composed mainly of carbon dioxide, with clouds of sulfuric acid. Its surface temperature is incredibly hot, around 465 degrees Celsius, 869 degrees Fahrenheit, due to the greenhouse effect. A day on Venus, one rotation, takes about 243 Earth days, and it takes 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. Venus has a rocky surface with mountains, valleys, and tens of thousands of volcanoes. Its atmosphere is so thick that it can crush spacecraft that land on it. Now, let's talk about our home planet, Earth. Earth is unique in our solar system because it has liquid water on its surface and supports life. It has a diverse climate and a balanced atmosphere of nitrogen, oxygen, and other gases. Earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation and 365.25 days to orbit the Sun. Earth has layers: the crust, mantle, outer core, and inner core. Temperatures vary widely depending on location and time of year, but overall, Earth's average surface temperature is about 15 degrees Celsius, 59 degrees Fahrenheit. Earth's surface is constantly changing due to tectonic activity and erosion. Mars, the red planet, is our next destination. Mars is known for its red color, caused by iron oxide, rust, on its surface. It has a thin atmosphere, mostly carbon dioxide, with surface temperatures ranging from -125 degrees Celsius, -195 degrees Fahrenheit during winter at the poles to 20 degrees Celsius, 68 degrees Fahrenheit during summer. A day on Mars lasts about 24.6 hours, and it takes 687 Earth days to complete one orbit around the Sun. Mars has the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, and a massive canyon, Valles Marineris. Occasionally, dust storms can engulf the entire planet. Next, we visit the gas giant Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. Jupiter is famous for its Great Red Spot, a giant storm larger than Earth that has raged for centuries. Jupiter's atmosphere is mostly hydrogen and helium, with clouds of ammonia crystals. It takes about 10 hours for Jupiter to complete one rotation, making it the fastest spinning planet, and about 12 Earth years to orbit the Sun. Jupiter has a strong magnetic field and dozens of moons, including the 4 large Galilean moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. Temperatures in the clouds can drop to -145 degrees Celsius, -234 degrees Fahrenheit. Saturn, known for its stunning ring system, is next. Saturn is also a gas giant, primarily composed of hydrogen and helium. Its rings are made of ice and rock particles. Saturn takes about 10.7 hours to complete one rotation and 29.5 Earth years to orbit the Sun. The planet has an average temperature of -178 degrees Celsius, -288 degrees Fahrenheit. Saturn has layers, a rocky core, a metallic hydrogen layer, and an outer layer of molecular hydrogen. Occasionally, massive storms appear in its atmosphere, including a recurring hexagonal storm at its north pole. Our final stop is Uranus, an ice giant with a unique tilt. Uranus is tilted on its side, causing extreme seasons that last about 21 Earth years each. Its atmosphere is mostly hydrogen, helium, and methane, giving it a blue-green color. Uranus has a very cold atmosphere, with temperatures dropping to -224 degrees Celsius, -371 degrees Fahrenheit. It takes about 17.2 hours for Uranus to complete one rotation and 84 Earth years to orbit the Sun. Uranus has faint rings and 27 known moons. Occasionally, bright clouds and storms can be seen in its atmosphere. Finally, we reach Neptune. The farthest planet from the Sun. Neptune is another ice giant with a striking blue color due to methane in its atmosphere. It has the strongest winds in the solar system, reaching up to 2,100 kilometers per hour, 1,300 miles per hour. Neptune's atmosphere is composed mainly of hydrogen, helium, and methane, with temperatures around -214 degrees Celsius, -353 degrees Fahrenheit. A day on Neptune lasts about 16 hours, and it takes 165 Earth years to orbit the Sun. Neptune has 14 known moons, with Triton being the largest. Occasionally, large storms, similar to Jupiter's Great Red Spot, can be observed. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through our solar system. From the blazing Sun to the distant Uranus, each planet has its own unique features and mysteries. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating videos about our universe.